Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we are going to see how we can add numbers in Excel. Here we have given some tables with the different items and amount, and we are going to apply the function to add the numbers. So in first table we are going to apply the sum function. We'll start with sum and we need to give the numbers proceeding with the comma. We'll select first number, give a comma, then we'll select second number, comma, third number and fourth number, bracket close, enter, and we get the total of the first item. Now let's move to the second table. In this we are going to apply a shortcut by which we can add the total. So for that we are going to select this cell and we will press Alt is equal to, and as you can see the function is applied to it. Then we'll press enter and it's done. So this is the shortcut by which you can add the data. In the third table we need to apply the function but with a criteria. Here we have a criteria which says that we need to add the total but those numbers which are higher than 50. So for that we are going to apply the SUMIF function. We will start with SUMIF. In the range we will select this data range, comma. In criteria we need to give greater than 50 because we want only those number to be added which is higher than 50. So we'll start with quote open, greater than sign 50, quote close, bracket close, enter, and we have our result here. Here we have one more table. In this it is asking that we need to apply the SUMIF formula here but add amount that are less than 100. The results will be 160. So here we have given some different criteria by which we need to add this table. So we'll start with SUMIF function. In range we will select all the amounts, comma. In criteria we will give less than 100, quote close, bracket close, enter, and we get our result as 160. Now let's move down and see what more we have. Okay, so here first we will delete this one, and it is saying that select all the cell, then in the lower right corner of the Excel window look for this. So we are going to select all this, and in the lower right corner we get this option. We will click on this, and as you can see there are multiple options here. Currently we need to add the total, so we go to total, and as you can see there are multiple options like sum, average, count, and many more. So currently we need to do the sum. We'll select the sum option and we get our total here. In the next table, as you can see we have two tables here and the total is here, but once you click on the result you will find something different, and which is this 100. Why? Because this number is constant which is inserted in the formula. You will get the correct result, but this is not recommended to insert any kind of constant number in the formula because it is very difficult to find out constant numbers in the formula. So it is more avoidable to insert any constant numbers. Let's go down and see what more we have. Here we have two similar data table, but you can see the results are different. You need to check why the results are different. Once you click on the result, in the formula bar you can see the criteria in the formula which is given is greater than 50. In the second result you can see the criteria is different which says greater than or is equal to 50. So this is the reason we have the same table but different result. So this is how you can apply the sum and SUMIF function to add the numbers in Excel. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe.